Now we have these working. Hey, how's it going, guys? It's AutoTips.ca coming with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a bit of programming on a Honda Odyssey. We got a 2008 Honda Odyssey that we're gonna be programming. It's got a problem with flashing lights. The anti-theft is activated. So we're gonna show you how to deactivate that in case that happens to you. All right, let's do this. So basically, if you're going through a flashing lights, alarm going off, you have to check this part here. That's what communicates with the ignition theft module. Replace that, excuse me. So you can replace that, and then you can do the programming with the new door switch. It's better to pry it from underneath here. Just hold it over here. Okay. See? I think it's better to pry it from underneath here. Just hold it over here. Okay. So you just gotta pry these ones here. So once you get those clips, you have one clip here, there's another clip over here. So you just gotta pry these two, and then you have the connection over here, like you see here. So once you press that, it's easy to pull these off, this wire. Okay, and then we got another wire here. Same thing. Same thing, we gotta press here, pull that out. And like I always tell you guys, I always like used parts, so I got this one here. It's another door switch. See, these door switches are a little different because they include even the anti-theft lock unlock. So for the anti-theft, so we're gonna put that, and then we're just gonna line it up same way we took it. There you go. That's it. So now I have this new one here. So we're gonna try to program these. So the way you do this is, so all the doors are closed, and then you turn the ignition on, you press one of these. Turn the ignition on, you press again, lock. Okay, you press, lock, and you press again, lock. You see, it just worked. You guys feel that? So now we have these working. And if you want to program a new key, we have a new key here, because you're gonna need at least two keys, because the key fob comes separate on those old ones. So you can put your scanner on there. So basically, one second. So basically, if you're going through a flashing lights, alarm going off, you have to check this part here. That's what communicates with the ignition theft module. So you you can replace that, excuse me. So you can replace that, and then you can do the programming with the new door switch. I thought I would share that video because it took me a hard time to figure it out, and hopefully it can help somebody out there. AutoTips is always trying to help the community to save some money and to enjoy driving. Until the next video, peace.